So let's start today. Number 31, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours and 9 hours respectively. They're opened alternatively for 1 hour each. So it's a question of alternative pipes. Starting with pipe A first, right? In how many hours will the tank be filled? So in how many hours? Look at this. A and B, both are inlet pipes, no outlet pipes here. So there will be nothing to subtract. So 6 hours and 9 hours is the time. So what is the total capacity? Total capacity is 18. Is the LCM, right? So what is the efficiency? The ratio of efficiency will be 3:2, right? So total efficiency will be 5. Total efficiency will be 5. 3 plus 2. So it said that A opens fast. So how many hours will it take? 18. 18 is the total capacity. What is the nearest value of 18? Which is divisible by 5, it's 15. Okay, keep that in mind that the number should be lesser than 18, not bigger than, because 18 is the total capacity. The tank is of 18 liters, assume 18 liters, so it cannot be filled more in more numbers, so more unit. So 15 is the least nearest number of which is divisible by 5, so it will take 3 times. In these 3 times, or in these 3 times, A and B has opened alternatively, right? So the total hour will be 3 into 2, it's 6 hours. And after 15 is filled, how much amount is left? 18 minus 15 is 3, right? So this 3 will be filled by A. A is opened next, so there will be 1 hour more, and it will be a 7-hour answer. Clear? You can be clearly seen like this, like 3 plus 2 in 1 is A is B, then again A will be opened, right? 3 plus 2, you can do like this, but this will be taking more time. It's a number of 18. If it was 180, then what will you do? This is the process you have to follow, right? This is a question of alternative pipes. It's important for every SSC or banking, everything. Okay? If you have any doubt regarding this question, you can comment. Moving to the next one. The next says pipes A and B can fill a tank in 1 hour and 2 hours respectively, while C can empty the filled tank in 1 hour and 15 minutes. A and C are turned on together at 9 am. After 2 hours, only A is closed and B is turned on. When will the tank be emptied? So I will solve it. A, B, C. This is plus, this is plus, this is minus, because this is outlet pipe. So I can fill it 1 hour, B in 2 hours, and C in 1 hour 15 minutes means 1 hour 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes means 15 upon 60 hour means 1 by 4. So it's 1 and 1 by 4 hour means 5 by 4. Clear? So it will be 5 by 4. So what is the total capacity of the tank then? It's 10. The LCM is 10. So it's 10. The efficiency is then 10, 5 and 8. Right? This 8 is in minus. Keep that in mind. So it said A and C are now turned on for 2 hours. Right? So in 2 hours, only the efficiency of A and C is required. A is 10 and B is 8. It is minus. Keep that in mind. So the net efficiency is now 2. It is filling the tank. So in 2 hours, it will fill 2 into 2 is equals to 4 unit. Clear? Next, A is closed and B is turned on. So now B's efficiency and C's efficiency required. B's efficiency is 5 and this is 8. So it is minus 3 because it is emptying the tank. So now this 4 unit will be emptied in 4 by 3 hour. Clear? So what is the total time? The question is when will the tank be emptied? So what is the total time it has been done? So it is firstly 2 hours, then 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 means 1 hour 20 minutes. How? Look at it carefully. 4 upon 3 means 4, 3, 1 remains. So it will be multiplied with 60 and 23 is a 60. So 1 hour 20 minutes. Clear? So 1 hour 20 minute extra. So it's 3 hour 20 minute. So it was started at 9 hour, sorry, not 9 hour, but 9 a.m. So after 3 hour 20 minutes means 12:20. 12:20 p.m. will be the correct answer. Clear? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Okay. 1/4 of a tank can be filled in 3 hours by pipe A, and 1/3 of the same tank can be filled in 2 hours by pipe B. How many, sorry, not how many, how long will it take for the tank to be filled if both the pipes are kept open? So I'll solve it. It's a simple question. 1/4 of the tank can be filled in 3 hours. So total it will be 3 into 4. 1/4 can be filled in 3 hours by pipe A. So A can fill the tank. 3 into 4 is equals to 12 hours. Clear? You can fill that whole tank in 12 hours. The next says that the 1/3 of the same tank can be filled in 2 hours by pipe B. So in that case, it is 2 into 3, 6 hours. Clear? B can fill the tank in 6 hours. So what's the efficiency? Efficiency is 1 and 2. 1 is to 2. It will be opposite, right? 12, 6. The total is 12. So there will be 1 and there will be 2. Right? I hope it's clear to you. We have solved 33 questions. So now I think you don't have any question regarding this part. Okay. So it said how long will it take to fill the tank if both the pipes are opened. So it's actually 12 upon 3. It's 4. It will be 4 hours. It's an easy one. Just this part is something you have to do. You have to understand from the question. Okay. Clear? Now next. Number 34 says, Manoj and his wife Swati fill a tank with water fetched from a well. Manoj fetches 5 liters of water in 4 minutes, whereas Swati fetches 4 liters of water in 5 minutes. Find the time taken by them together to fetch 205 liters of water. So it's a simple one again. In Manoj and it's Swati, right? Manoj fetches 5 liters of water in 4 minutes, right? Whereas Swati fetches 4 liters of water in 5 minutes. So if we have to get the value of the required time, we have to equalize it, correct? So we have to multiply it in it with 5, it with 4. Similarly in that side. Clear? So what can we say? It's 20 minutes. It's also 20 minutes, right? So in these 20 minutes, M and S means Manoj and Swati can fetch 25 and 16 means 41 liters. So 41 liters can be fetched in 20 minutes. So what's the required amount? 205 liters. So 205 liters of water can be fetched in how many minutes? It's 5x, right? This is the 5x. So this will also be 5x. It's 100 minutes. So 100 minutes will be the answer. Clear? 41 liters and 205 liters. This is a difference of 5x into 5. 41 into 5 is 205. So 20 into 5 will be 100 minutes will be the required time. Clear? Moving to the next one. Okay, number 35 says pipe A and B can fill a tank in 4 hours and 6 hours 40 minutes respectively. 6 hours 40 minutes. What does 6 hours 40 minutes mean? 6 hours 40 minutes means 20 upon 3. Keep that in mind. 6 hours 40 minutes. This means 20 upon 3. Okay, this is 3. Whereas a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes means 1 hour 40 minutes means 5 by 3 hour. This is hour. Okay. Next said the A and B are opened at 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. respectively, and C is opened at 4 p.m. The tank will be completely empty at. Okay, so how to solve it? First of all, we have to get the efficiency ratios. A can fill in 4 hours, B can fill in 20 by 3, and C can fill it in 5 by 3 hours, right? So what is the efficiency? What is the total capacity? First of all, you have to know the capacity first. So 60, 425, right? So this is 15. Okay, this one will be B. B will be 9. 3 3 is the 9. And next one is 36, right? 5 12s and 12 3, right? This is 15, 9 and 36. Clear? Next it says A and B are open at 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. respectively, and C is open. Okay, so C is opening at 4 p.m. So before 4 p.m. A is working for 2 hours and B is working for 1 hour, right? So how much work has done? 15 efficiency. A with 15 efficiency has worked for 2 hours, whereas B with 9 efficiency has worked for 1 hour. So what is the total? Total is 39 then. 30 plus 9, 39. Clear? So this 39 unit has filled before 4 p.m. Now it will be emptied by 3 pipes together. So the net efficiency or the total efficiency of A, B and C is 15 plus 9 minus 36, right? So it will be minus 12. This will be minus 12, right? 15 plus 9 minus 36. This is minus because this is emptying the tank. This is the outlet pipe. Okay. So this 39 unit will be filled by this 12. 39 upon 12. So what is that? It is 3 hour and next remains 3. 3 means 12. So this is 3 and 15. 15 minutes. 3 hours, 15 minutes. How? I am solving it for you again. We have done it earlier. Now you have to solve it like this. In every question I will just write down or put down only this part or this part. How this I won't show it again. You have to now practice it at home. 3 hours with 3, 12, 3 is the 36. 3 remains, right? So it will be multiplied with 60 is 180, right? So 12 1 3 hour, then 12 1 12. Okay, I am doing it again here. And remains 12 remains 6 60, so it will be 5 15 minutes. 3 hour 15 minutes. Clear? Okay, I am doing it for again. Doing it for you again in a new screen. Wait. What was that? It was 39 by 12. This is hour. So we have to get the hour and minute. So this is 39 by 12. So 39. 3 is a 36. 12 3 is a 36. 3 remains. It is in hour. We have to get the remain in minutes, right? So we have to multiply it with 60. 360 is a 180. So it's 1 12 6 0 5, right? Then 60. It's done, right? So 3 hour 50 minutes. That is why 13 upon 12 hour is equals to 3 hour 15 minute. Clear? I hope you don't have any issue regarding this concept. Moving to the next one. Okay, so what is the answer now? It hasn't solved yet. Oh, sorry. So what's the answer now? The question is the tank will be completely empty at. Completely empty means 4. It is 3 hour. Where is it? 3 hour 15 minutes after 2 p.m. Not 2 p.m. but 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. because A and B were opened at 2, but it has started emptying at 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. plus 3 hour 15 minutes means 7:15, right? 4 p.m. plus 3 hour 15 minutes means 7:15. Clear? If you have any question regarding this question, you can obviously ask me. Okay. Moving to the next one. 36 says pipe A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours and 12 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty the full tank in 10 hours. If all the three pipes are open together for 2 hours and 40 minutes, then what part of the tank will remain unfilled? So again, same thing, we have to get the ratio of efficiency. 15 hour, 12 hour, this is 10, this is minus, keep that in mind. So what is the LCM or the total capacity? LCM will be 60, right? So efficiency will be 4, 5, 6, this is in minus. So it says that if all the three pipes are opened together for 2 hours 40 minutes. So what is the total efficiency or net efficiency? Total efficiency is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, right? 2 hours 40 minutes. So in 2 hours 40 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes means 2 hour 40 minutes. 40 minutes means 40 upon 60 means 2 by 3 means 2 and 2 by 3. 2 and 2 by 3 hour, right? It has worked with 3 efficiency. So what will be filled? How much will be filled? 3, 2, 6, 8, 3, 3. So it's 8. It has filled 8 unit, right? So what is the remaining or unfilled unit? Unfilled unit is 50 is the total. So unfilled is 60 minus 8. It's 52, right? So it is said it is the question is in fraction, so it is 52 upon 60, right? So it's 13 upon 15. This is the remain unfilled part. 13 upon 15. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? Right? So now next. Pipe A, B, C can fill a tank in 20, 30 and 60 hours respectively. Pipe A, B and C are opened at 7 am, 8 am, 9 am respectively on the same day. When will the tank be filled? Full. Okay, so I'll solve it. A, B, C. A is 20 hour, B is 30 hour and C is 60 hours. So what is the total capacity? Then 60 is the LCM. So what is the efficiency then? Efficiency will be 3, 2 and 1. Clear? So what is the total efficiency? It's 6. So A was opened at 7 am, B was at 8 am and C was at 9 am. So before 9 am A and B has worked. So A has worked for 2 hours and B has worked for 1 hour. So 3 to 6 and 2, 8 unit was filled before 9 am. So what is the remaining now? Total is 60, remaining is 52 now, 52 unit. So after 9 am 3 were opened. So now this 6 efficiency will be worked. So 52 upon 6, it will take 8 hours, 2 and 3, 8 and 2 and 3 hours. So what does that 2 by 3 means? 2 by 3 means 40, yes, 40 minutes. 8 hours, 40 minutes. Okay, so all the pipes are opened at 9 am. So after 9 am, it's 8 hours, 40 minutes means 17 hour, 40 minutes. 17 means 5, right? So it's 5:40 p.m. Clear? 5:40 will be the answer. Moving to the next one. Number 38. During rainy season, huge inflow of water takes place into a reservoir. Measures are taken to clear the reservoir while water keeps flowing into it at a constant rate. It has been observed that 7 and 5 men can clear the reservoir in 20 and 50 days respectively, with the initial quantity of the water in the reservoir being 24 and 36 kiloliters respectively. What is the rate of inflow of water into the reservoir in liters per day? Okay, this is in 24 and 36 kiloliters, but the question is in liters. So either we have to calculate in kiloliters or in liters, and we have to get the amount by either dividing 1000 or into 1000. We are getting it with x. Suppose the rate of flow is x kiloliter. Okay, kiloliter. So we can build an equation from there. It says that 7 men can clear the reservoir in 20 days when it was filled 24 liters earlier, kiloliters earlier. So we can build an equation like, what do we know? First of all, we have to know that the total, here we have to get it with efficiency, right? So efficiency is equals to total work by total time, total work by total time, total work upon total time, right? We have seen that total work is equals to efficiency into total time, right? So from that equation we can get efficiency is equals to total work by total time. Clear? This total time here is divided into two parts. In person, 7 and 5 men with their time 20 days and 50 days. Okay, so here this is split it into two parts, in men or the people into their time or day. Fine. So how will solve it? But I was saying that we can build two equations from there which is equal, because the total work, this total work is equal in both cases, in cases of 5 men or in cases of 7 men, right? Because it is a reservoir which has a specific capacity. So from here we can say that when 7 men are working, what is the total work? The total work is 20, not 20, but it was 24 earlier. 24 kiloliters of water was there in the reservoir, and in the rate of x kiloliter per day, it has worked for 20 days, right? So it's 20x divided by total time in divided people and time, so 7 into 20 days. This efficiency is equals to 36 plus 50x divided by 5 men work for 50 days. Clear? This is equal, because this is working for the same thing, filling the reservoir. Fine. So we have to solve it. Okay, we are getting a new screen for you. Says 24 plus 20x divided by 7 into 20 is equals to, what did I see? 36 plus 50x. Why 50x? Because it has worked for 50 days, right? 5 into 50. Clear? So we have to omit 0 from there, and we can come on 2 from this. So it is 24 will be 12, 18 will be 36 will be 18, and this will be 10, and this will be 25, right? So it's 14 into 18 plus 25x is equals to 25 into 12 plus 10x. Clear? From this equation we can get to 7, 18, 1 and 7, 25 to 52 plus 100, and then 1, 12, 25 and 350x. Clear? Is equals to is 300, 25, 12 is 300, and it's 10x, so 250x. Clear? 350 minus 250 means 100x. 300 minus 250 is 48. So what is the rate? The rate is 48 upon 100, and the question has said, now it's 48 and 100, keep that in mind, 48 and 100. This is the equation you have to solve. I am doing it with every step. You don't do that in exam. You will just write down this part and cut out this. Then you will straightly jump into this, and this will be the final line. Okay, so x equals to 48 upon 100. So what did we see? That what is the rate of inflow of water reservoir in liters? So it was 48 upon 100, right? It was in kiloliter, the x value of x from this equation, x equals to 48 upon 100, and we have to get it in liters, so it will be multiplied in, sorry, it wasn't, yes, this is, so 0 gone, 480. 480 liters will be the answer. Clear? I hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question, you can ask. This is a good question. We have to have the concept of pipe and cistern clearly in your mind. Okay, moving to the next one. Pipes A and B are inlet pipes, whereas pipe C is an outlet pipe. A and B can fill a tank in 72 and 92 minutes respectively, where when all three pipes are opened together, the tank gets filled in 2 hours. A and B are opened together for 12 minutes, then closed, and C is opened. The tank will be emptied after. So I'll solve it. It's a good question. It was asked in CGL Tier 2 2018. Okay, it was a good question. Solve it. How will you solve it? A has the time of 72 minutes, B 90, whereas A, B and C, these three have worked and it has filled in 120 minutes. 2 hours means 120 minutes, right? So what is the LCM? The total capacity? 360, right? So what is the efficiency now? So the efficiency will be 5, 4, 3. Clear? So A, B, C, in total it is 3, whereas where C is an outlet pipe. This is mentioned here. So what is the efficiency of C? C's efficiency. C's efficiency is then 5 plus 4 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6, right? This is in minus. Why? C is emptying the, C is the outlet pipe. So it is said that A and B are open together for 12 minutes. So what is the total efficiency of A and B? Total efficiency is 9. It has worked for 12 minutes. So how much unit has filled? 108 unit. So now this has to be, then it is closed. So A and B is not working now. Only C is open. So it has to be emptied by C. Because the efficiency of C is 6. So it will be divided by 6. What is the time then? 18 minutes. Clear? So 18 minutes will be the answer. Have you understood? So moving to the next one. If you have any query, if I can comment, okay? Moving to the next one. So pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. The tank when full can be emptied by pipe C in X minutes. When all three pipes are opened simultaneously, the tank is full in 10 minutes. What is the value of X then? So it said A has the time to fill is 12, B can fill it in 15 minutes, whereas C is in X. But the tank is when full can be emptied by 6. When three pipes are open simultaneously, the tank is full in 10 minutes. So A, B, C in total, it is taking 10 minutes, right? So we can get the total capacity as 60 because this LCM is 60. So it's 5, it's 4, it's 6, right? So efficiency of A, B, C is 6. So what is the C's efficiency? C's efficiency is 5 plus 4 minus 6, right? So it is 3. So efficiency of 6 is C is 3. So the value of X will be 60 upon 3, right? 60 is the total capacity and 3 is the efficiency. So to get the time we have to divide it. So it will be 20 minutes. That is an easy one, but it was a question of Tier 2. Asked in 19. Okay, so 20 is the answer. Clear? Okay, fine.